There are certain ministries that you don't kotoa.
Okay.
You don't need much from government.
Agric
You
ministry.
see, there are 7 ministries in this country. Your body in Sebeda Noah. You don't need much money from the government.
I saw to me.
Me catch
Akoma FM 87.9.
No, yeah, a Greek minister.
Okay.
Some me your president. A Greek ministry budget a be fia. Fia no so kase no e be konkurase nkurase ekuafo na ekuta
Sekan ya de do
ene aso edo no won ho na be ko. US aid. There are 24 European countries, sir.
Yeah.
They have more than 700 million euros each. Our person will invest in agriculture. A grant for free. It's over 10 krana.
Yeah.
That's be 300 million, 3 billion euros. If you are not a lazy agric minister, what stops you from putting together
sourcing all these funds?
A proposal.
Now they pushy the industry.
Me catch them minister, be agric minister, be say, look, chief, for some radio, so the TV, so now, me kuta ukokumuno. The reason why I may push you to say, I want you to achieve something. Look, Saoko France,
yeah,
and then France, France, Adri. France or Padri, Adri, Kofiso de Madri.
Yeah,
we are Ben Quaya.
Adrena
Akano. France, Adri. Over 24 trillion tons of Adri. France, Padri.
So kwa simfu suni ne mpote mu abeni gu ho pro.
Ya wa be okroyim. Ye di aben kwan. Adrenam ye ma me no no ye no.
Ye bo wia
ye di gu hin. Tetere ne ye kwa school awo bo no watentesu afra.
Na dia asra wona.
Na ho aye gon. Ase nipa tuntuma wa poro no ho. France, Padri. Czech Republic.
Yeah.
Denmark. Switzerland. Wopen mankani. Kontomre. Any banchi. Because banchi ni free Spain.
Yeah.
And a Europe. And a South America. What me he ma America. And ma Europe. What for Spain banchi ne pa na he abeni bi na that.
Abeni bi ni go.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Sa beno. Me ba kan wasem biom. Wo kwa banchi na wo a free Spain iba no. Ma di bi da asa kuni.
Anya papa. And kojo interesting.
Fa who call the southern part of Europe. You get the Germans, you wouldn't even.
You don't even need that because you always see Ukraine, Russia. Almost a defeat. Any sa flash, any many na eba.
If you wait to credit, they say what polishing.
Wouldn't say Kenya take advantage.
Bro.
Wouldn't say Kenya take advantage. The last time you Russia, Ukraine by see oil and go. Kenya and they produce the European countries.
The whole of America, the whole of Asia, the whole of Europe, wape kube anwa ye di kube
konzema
ena aye. What is the total value on the international market? $1.9 trillion. Besi na me no kasei. The last time I checked, not the whole world kubangwa value out of the 1.9 trillion dollars. No, not the yet me produce $604 million.
And
you
Ghana,
do billion.
And Ghana bet me
you do billion. You do trillion. So if you are a Greek minister,
you can easily
you don't need too much from your government.
No. But I agree with you.
Kofi fair no tone change. Fair no tone change. Fair no tone change. When him name tree.
Nim tree.
Say edua.
The eyi buy kroma COVID buy na Ghana for.
Say edua.
Obi ate so ade adi punu.
Say edua.
Ghana yo nua kra ye fifi.
Kofi say edua.
Edua.
Okay. Nim tree. Say ya me no ka say. Say China nya ya. Ka nim tree na wo Ghana ha nyina no. Ya tutu. E de akosisi ho. Na ya de bi so kwa America. Say de be ya. Wo mo se nim tree na wo ho na yen ye hu ne say ye ko school ye twatugu. Sa nim tree no. Wonim say sa wo no nim tree.
Yeah.
Na wonoma ese yare 9 e system nim
COVID buy nim tree and what a boy
we ya danya wo bewu nanso wonum nim tree a akoma yare unya bi
na banche ha ban nya no ne de paracetamol ne ade wo India
oh Kofi
banche ha ban
wonum nim tree a wo be ma kwate wuda sorry no some say wo be ma wuda wonum nim tree a wo be ma wuda wo be ma wuda
a boost immune system
immune system no be ya bawe
I strong.
China here nim tree. America here nim tree. ade te agric minister te wodi
banche
nim tree ne so wokɔ Kenya wunya wokɔ Nigeria wunya
Ghana.
wokɔ Africa wunya wokɔ Mali wunya woba Ghana wobenya
ma me mfa we nka so wonim prekese kwadwo prekese China for buy krom ha omo minister ba ko prekese na
Kofi nim tree na da hoyi
mo
yetimi dua nim tree no hia ho a
emfitire bebre
ɛho akokwa anyini
ne na bra na haba nyina obi kwadwo prekese just added apart from Israel and Ghana ebi ni ba bia biem prekese haban ani ni nsuo bibie ni ho ayentimi mfanye sezi amena o kasa China forward techman ha oma bie banchi processing factory omu dua e process ene aburu na oma san de ko
wenim say China
87.9
yekum mprako makum 200 million a day
omberry
China mprako 1 2 3 1 million 10 million 20 makum 2 China for consume mprako akese makum 200 million a day Jay Kufo befi abem the then Chinese ambassador emu put it together proposal say anye ye kura no wo de Ghana and supply China wo wan kasa be ko akofo to say ha FDA Food and Drugs Authority e de won be back Ghana na wo matimi ahwe na say de wo pese yen prako no na ye banchi any body ye hono no
a de ma moa no
ahoden a ewom no
fat srade na ma prako ye basa no e wo fom omu di a enti enyanam man ho eden
kwadwo na yem fa sam prako no wo de anye kura Ghana and supply 2 million mprako makomako 2 million
ore 2 million kwa enti 1 million
say Kofi prako bako boy say okuba
4,000 that is
40 million
based on the kilo
there be 40 million kura de wa phone kakra te say kwadwo smart
1 kilo my can say 1 kilo 30 Ghana cedis prako 1 kilo and multiply by the size the weight of prako no and say 80 kilo times 30
we are Greek minister you should rather bring money into the system.
Oh my God,
you see I am praying for Brian Achampon
sanko betimi adwen aye bibi
or be contacting all these countries now omo ehia bribi Afri Ghana Kofi now say
yakadwe
winim engu kokko
engu
yet kroma nkrofo na wo say Ghana market ne say wodi engu kokko a enye den Kofi tam na yen yesua no wona na eye abenkwan a na wa pa ni ngu no asinchen na ye de meko atom
nkwan
banche ana bode ne bayere na ye di ye na bi kae no ade che ne ye de atujam na ye hwe ngu kokko kakra de amawo kaja
ya nyare da
la kabro sibiri ya ndalebe ya bata
kwadwo ya nyare da o
la brosa ya de bom mawa na wa wudi da kwatena classroom ho a one energy because emeko nkrofo bi sese emeko de na ye emeko ma energy ema won by heart ema won by heart
we are smart
ema we are smart because of
very
our
smart
engu kokko no when him say engu kokko value $700 billion Ghana ye wa Greek ministers abako plus the one we engu kokko na da ho no
na wo hwe no
red
TV
oil palm oil
Facebook page
when him say soap manufacturing companies ewo wiase ni na no esanse wonya engu kokko nti wonim sudi okay and you produce seminar ma ye wi ana ye de fragrance awo no na ye hwehwehwe so makoto seminar ehwampa wo munya we enfanye wonim nkuto
ya
wonim nkuto China buy ne Ghana buy sign a contract say wo mo penkuto worth $4 billion wonim to do Ghana to produce here 7 million.
The first time
if you want to say me here one say some kind
for
12 billion
and yet me yes
7 million yendru $10 million
oni ma mo ma he na abo ni din no ono na di cocoa seed ye bi
chief
eye nkuto ai nei nanka opportunity was e betima export ojo ene sa ba a woken ye wa kura se abai nya no ana na ye de ye ayi amonchi azuma blow Enya enwe bi na na yɛde azuma blue.
Winim adekuru nti a China aban abesesa 5,000 extension officers every Ghana. Yeah, the one various agri colleges, no.
Yeah.
Kwada so agri college, ho agri college.
Bebre kura wie imposti wo mo.
Den do mu nya adwuma.
Bebre wie imposti wo mo tifi.
Abesesa wo nyina free o mem ha.
Edo mo ko.
I was trying to find out why. Na nye cocoa na keke no mpese omudua wo. Cocoa ne hono no.
Cocoa pod. Yeah.
Ne hono no.
Yeah.
Keke wo cocoa ne hono no. Kofi no made ye.
Say
na so oben aduru a efiri China ba nyina no.
Eno ane de.
Cocoa.
And ye friend do akuase no.
Woni me ekro.
Ekro, yeah.
Ene ayam.
Pa minim pa.
Yare bi aya na to tonkrofo mo sa ne skin no kokko kakra bam na denet. Sandro na nkrofo to no.
Any bleaching, aduru a ye de poye ho.
Eye koko. Ne hono nye koko na mu. It's China sesa. Ye extension officers dey from em ha. E de won ko. E den na esi ye nkwan se nka ye koko hono no kura no. Ba ko fi de me ye fa no nyina to